Welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. Hey, as Mike cooks his way through all of the exotic foods that we ate on our Panama cruise, I've been thinking of some down-home comfort food lately. Today, one of those days where I really kind of need it. So today we're gonna make chili mac. We're gonna do it from scratch in the Ninja Foodi. It's gonna be amazing, I promise. And it's really, really simple. In case you missed the ingredients or the portions, just look in those notes down in the comments. They'll be down there. All right, so we're gonna start with, on the Foodi, we're gonna turn it on. We're gonna set it on sear and high. Okay, as that heats up, we're gonna drop in a pound of ground beef. This is really lean ground beef, like 93.7. But don't worry, we're gonna make that fat up because we're gonna also put in a pound of mild pork sausage. You could use spicy pork sausage, you can use mild, you could use sweet. We're kind of shooting for middle of the road today, so we're gonna use sweet. All right, break that up a little bit. All right, that's good for now. So also in here, we're gonna put everything on this side. So 2 medium white onions, probably about 2 cups, 2.5 cups worth. About 6 cloves of minced garlic. Don't skimp on the garlic. A tablespoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of kosher sea salt, half a teaspoon of fresh cracked black pepper, half a teaspoon of white pepper, not white black pepper, that would just kind of be weird, right? So white pepper. And optionally, but I love it, is a half a teaspoon of ground coriander. We're gonna mix all this up and let it cook down all the way until that ground beef has no pink left in it. So let's move on to the next ingredients. So we're gonna start with 2 15.5 ounce cans of diced tomatoes, 2 cups of beef broth. As always, we're using the Better Than Bouillon. A 6 ounce can of tomato paste. Go. This was a 7 ounce can of chipotle peppers in adobo that I've uncanned and chopped, just a rough chop. A can of diced green chilies. Gonna add the macaroni, then we're gonna stir it in real good. All right, that's looking fantastic. We're gonna reset the Foodi, put it over to pressure cook. We're gonna pressure cook on high for 3 minutes. All right, so Foodi says that it's time to open the lid, but it's still pretty tight. There's quite a bit of steam still coming out. So we're gonna give it 1 more minute, and then I'll show you a trick to getting it open. All right, that looks about good. So oh, it's sliding a little bit, that's good. So if all that pressure is holding the lid up, if you just push down a little bit, we'll be able to slide that right over.
Ah.
All right. Man, that smells good. So we're gonna give this a good stir. Get everything good and mixed up. Make sure those noodles are nice and cooked. And then we're gonna use a function on the Foodi that I had not used until I made this recipe, and that is the broil function. So half and half of shredded cheddar and shredded Monterey Jack, anywhere from a cup to a total of 2 cups. Since, Mike lives here, we're going extra cheesy, obviously. So we're gonna take the cheese, spread it across the top nice and even. Then we're gonna close the lid, leave it all the way to the right, do a reset. Take the function to broil. And we're gonna go 2 minutes. Just enough to get that cheese nice and melty. All right, the broil's just about done. We're gonna let this sit for 1 minute afterwards to let it finish melting that cheese off, and then we're gonna plate it up, and the director's gonna give it a try and tell us how we did. There we go, all done. So we're gonna go 1 minute, then we'll plate it up. We'll be right back. All right, the time has come. Let's open her up, dish it out, see what the director thinks. Look at that beauty. It's so pretty, she's got to get a picture. Let's see what she thinks. Or she melts her face off. Oh, it's hot. Well, if you can talk.
Very good.
Excellent. All right. Well, hey, there you go. Homemade chili mac in the Ninja Foodi. Doesn't take that long. Easy to go. Great go-to for a weekday meal for everyone when you want that, feel good, easy meal. So if you like what you saw, give us a thumbs up, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and you'll continue to see all the videos we put out, even those crazy ones that Mike's doing from our cruise. So until next time, we'll see you at the Galley of the Sun.